Hi everyone, Shirley Campbell here from Shirley Campbell Success in the last of our little mini series on top tips for new investors. Today's video is all about education. Education is crucial, absolutely crucial in your success. In order to continue to make money in property, you need to continue to get educated. So reading books, watching webinars, going online on different YouTube videos, all of these things are helping you to get educated. Because there are many people out there that are investing in property and they have not got an education. Now, I'm not saying education like we learnt at school. In fact, the sad truth is that everything that you learnt at school is not necessarily going to help you in property investing, because they don't teach you about managing money. And that's what property investing, you are managing your money. You're getting your money to work hard for you, which is what Robert Kiyosaki is always saying, making your money work for you, not you working for your money. So getting educated means that you are getting smarter in the area of property investing. What is it that you do know and what is it that you don't know? And then going out there and finding out. Signing up for programs, if they are in your specific area, is great. You don't have to do this alone. You're spending time with me and I'm guiding you. This is for free because I really want you off on the right foot. Because if you don't know your goals, you don't know why you're doing what you're doing, you don't know how you're going to do it, you're not spending time with anybody learning about these things, then nothing's going to happen. You're going to be stuck. And education is the final piece of that jigsaw. If you have got in your, wherever you are in the world, start signing up for magazines. Okay, property investing magazines, not ones that have all the too much advertising and a lot of guff. You know, try and find one at your local newsagent and have a look through it before you subscribe. And then they're coming every month. That's really helpful. Make sure that you are covering two important things I can say to you. One, you need to be reading about mindset and wealth management. And then secondly, you need to be reading about property investment. You need to have these two things going hand in hand, because a lot of success in property investment is about your mindset. It's about your attitude, how you think about spending money, what you feel about debt. All of these feelings will really impact upon your property journey and how successful you are. So if you've got some roadblocks in there about money, or that you can't be trusted, or you don't trust yourself, or what if I make a mistake, if the fear of failure, all of these things, they all come into play. All of us have got one or multiple problems in this area, but think of them not as problems. Just think of them as a challenge that you can overcome. And the way you can overcome those is by getting educated. Get really strong on your resolve that I am going to be a successful property investor. I'm going to learn all I need to learn, and then I'm going to take action, because there is no point in doing all of this, writing down your goals, getting clear on your strategy, reading lots of books, going off to seminars, if you never do anything. You must at one point draw a line in the sand and go, today is the day. I'm going to take action. And with a good education behind you, property education behind you, you'll be confident to take that step. Take that big step in that I'm going to take action. You can do it. I know you can. All right. Thanks for your time. See you next time. Bye-bye.